So what is the cone snail, you might ask? The cone snail is a marine snail that is a cannibalistic, carnivorous, venomous demon that lives in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, along with the Caribbean and Red Seas, and along the coast of Florida. Yes, they may ruin your family vacation. There's over 800 species of cone snails, all of which have a cone-shaped shell. Plus, all of them can sting you and inject their venom. Some species are so dangerous that they can even kill you. But these are the larger species that eat bottom-dwelling fish. But how do cone snails sting you? They sting with a venomous harpoon-like structure that's lined with sharp teeth. This harpoon is called the toxoglassin radula. Some species have just one tooth on their toxoglassin radula, others have a row, like a shark. Each tooth is barbed and has a venomous sac. All this scary stuff is located in the snail's throat. Chemical sensors allows the snail to detect prey swimming by so the harpoon can shoot out and get them. A lot of creatures have venom. What makes this snail so deadly? The answer is the conotoxins that are contained within the venom. These toxins target nerve channels and receptors. The venom stops nerve impulses from traveling from cell to cell.
At least 30 people have been killed by the so-called cigarette snails. That's because when you were stung, you had enough time to smoke a cigarette before you dropped dead.
Despite all this, cone snails can be nice too. Some species of cone snail have conotoxins that can relieve pain. Medicines are already in use and many are still being tested. Some of these conotoxins are also helping researchers discover more about the nervous system because each specific toxin targets a specific area of the nervous system. A species of cone snail called the Canis magus is very important to these discoveries. The venom in this snail allowed scientists to replicate the toxin structure to create a synthetic version of the toxin called ziconotide. What does ziconotide do? It very effectively relieves pain and does it without being addictive. This is a breakthrough because many of the pain relievers out there can cause people to become addicted and then an abuser of the medicine. Ziconotide works by inhibiting the transmission of nerve impulses at synapses. By not allowing a neurotransmitter to be released, the signal of pain cannot travel along neurons. Not only can the cone snail help with pain, but it can also help make insulin for people with diabetes. People typically need to take insulin about 15 to 20 minutes before eating, but with snail venom, it could be reduced to only 5 minutes. Human insulin has a long chemical hinge that takes a long time to diffuse into the body, whereas the cone snail's venom has a small hinge, making the molecule tiny and fast-acting. This structure is advantageous in the ocean because it quickly puts prey in a coma by lowering its blood sugar, making it easier to capture. Don't get your hopes up though. This venom insulin is still in its testing stages and could be a long time before it lands on the market. Overall, this snail could kill you or save you. I guess it's up to the snail to decide.